What's up, you guys? So I still have my, to really quick video for YouTube. I still have my not side skirt, sorry, body side moldings, and look, not a scratch on it. And it looks straight, completely brand new, perfect condition, not even 40,000. I took it before I reached 40,000 miles on the car. So very clean. Get at me with this one, it's for sale. Side skirts are here, painted, ready to go, waiting for the install on the car. And I guess that's gonna be the thumbnail, so that's okay. You can just see this. Bam! Painted my front splitter. Look how, I mean, this is the car from GM. Same exact color. See? Same exact color. We are ready to go, and they really did a fantastic job painting this thing. So let's go. Hopefully I can get them on the car before Monterey Car Week.